Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set up a recurring task in the Todoist planning application on your mobile device. So let us begin. So let me launch the Todoist app really quickly on my Android, and after that let us create a new task by tapping into that plus button here in the bottom right. Let me give it a name like, I don't know, recurring, something like that. Excuse the typo here. And after that, guys, let us skip the description and tap into the date here to the left. Now select the first date you would like to, or you're planning to complete the given task. So let us go with tomorrow, Friday, December 5th. But before you publish the given task, tap into repeat here at the bottom. And now select the frequency, like every day, every week, on the given day, or on the specific days of the week, monthly, yearly, or a custom frequency. So let us go with weekly basis, every week on Friday. Tap into save, and that's it. That is going to save your task, guys, and that's it. If I swipe down, I will see the task has been added on a recurring basis starting tomorrow. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.